Hi everyone, here's this quick video to show you how I use ChatGPT in everyday work. And this was the error I was facing while installing Appium. This is the error I was getting in console, so I just pasted the error here and it gave me a solution to add a certain command. And after adding this command, all my test cases started working and the error got resolved. And it helped me save a lot of time as I was stuck due to this error, and it started working after implying the solution which it gave me. And the second use case is this one. I had one locator and I wanted to assert the entire list if the elements are present or not. So I just gave the main locator and asked it to write the code for me. It gave me the code. You can easily copy the code by clicking this button, and there are some minor changes which are needed. Other than that, it works fine. So using ChatGPT, you can resolve your errors quickly and it gives a really good code. Little fine tuning is required, but other than that, it helps in saving a lot of time. Thank you.